Hi everybody, Mr. Albert here. I just want to show you real quickly how to create a line of best fit on your scatter plot. And so I'm going to walk through those details for you right now. Assuming that you have your data already in a table in Desmos, the next thing you're going to do to create the line of best fit is you want to go down to the next box right below it. You want to double check to make sure there are little ones right here. If those are any other number, you want to click there and you want to change them. The reason is because we need this data table to match what we're about to type down here at the bottom. So we go to the next box. They are ones already, so we can go down here to the next box. We're going to use the on-screen keyboard. That's this right here. There are keyboard shortcuts for this, but we're not going to use them right now. So once we click on that box, we're going to type in our keyboard, we're going to type Y. And then as you can see up here, there's a little sub 1 right here, this little subscript 1. We need to do that also on this so that this Y matches with this Y. So we're going to click on the keyboard. We're going to click on ABC. And then we're going to come right here and we're going to click on A sub B. And if you notice what happens on my equation now is it drops the cursor down a little bit. It makes a subscript. So what I can do is I can come up here and remember it's a 1. So I can type in a 1 and it makes it as Y sub 1. We can go back and we can use this right arrow, or you can use the right arrow key on your keyboard. If you watch the cursor right here, when I click on that, it goes back up. The cursor goes back up to normal, so it's no longer in the subscript. We're going to go back to the ABC keyboard, and the approximately sign is right here. So we're going to click on this little squiggly, which in math means approximately. Let's continue the process. We're going to do MX. You could use your normal keyboard too, but I'm using the on-screen just so you can see. MX. And then the X, remember, has a little sub 1 on it as well. So we want to do the same process that got us this 1 down here for the X as well. That's this button right here. Sub X, sub, and then type in your 1. We'll use the right arrow again to bring the cursor back up to normal. And then we can finish off by typing plus B. Y sub 1 is approximately mx sub 1 plus b. Now I can minimize the screen, see my data, see my line of best fit, and double check that these y1 and x1 matches the y1 and x1 up here.